Today on Colonel Let's Trixie is getting my dog to do tricks. That was my brother. Anyways, so anytime we grab a snack, she always like runs. So I'm just gonna go in the dining room and watch. She'll follow me. Okay, guys. So what I'm using for tricks is I'm using these. Come in the light. Are these? Oh, you just stepped on my toe. Graham cinnamon grits. So we're just gonna open these. In the snack cabinet. Everything's better with tape. Ow, my tooth. I'm just taking it right here. Yay, got it. There's a zoom in button right there.
No.
Okay. Watch this, guys. Pointing at her. I'm just gonna eat two, okay?
It's dark.
Okay. Trixie, sit. No, I'm gonna eat it. Nope, sit. Good girl. Pop. Good girl. Pop. Good girl. Other hand. Other hand. Good girl. Wait. Oh, gosh. No. No. Sit. Lay down. Good girl. Up. Up. Good girl. Turn. Good girl. Turn. Turn. Good girl. Up. 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 No, I didn't say lay down, silly goose. Okay, ready? Come on, up. Okay. Random trick. Go. Random trick. Go. Good girl. You're so good. Tootsie roll. To the left. To the right. To the left. To the left. Now slide, baby, slide. Slide, baby, slide. Now dip and kiss. Good girl. Last trick. All of them. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Paw. Other paw. Good girl. Up. 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 Turn. Good girl. Turn. Good girl. Yay. Good girl. Give me a kiss. Good girl. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys. Is it pointing at me? Alright, guys. I'll see you guys whenever I want to make a video. Oh, and sub me if you like this.